How do I visualize during pre-sleep meditation? Have you ever wondered how to visualize effectively during pre-sleep meditation? This technique can be a game changer for calming your mind and preparing for restful sleep. Let's break it down step by step. First, find a comfortable position lying down in a quiet space where you feel safe. Close your eyes and take a few deep, slow breaths. This helps settle your body and mind, creating a calm state to guide your thoughts. Next, choose a peaceful place to visualize. This could be a real location where you have felt calm, like a beach or a forest, or even an imagined serene environment. The key is to engage all your senses as you create this mental scene. If you visualize a beach, imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin. Picture the sound of gentle waves lapping at the shore. Smell the salty air and feel the soft sand beneath your feet. The more vivid your mental picture, the more effective your meditation will be. Allow yourself to stay with this image, exploring its details slowly. This sensory engagement helps quiet your busy mind and draws your attention inward, making it easier to relax and drift off to sleep. If creating images feels challenging, consider using guided visualization recordings. These can lead you through calming scenes and sensations, making the process easier. With practice, you may find it becomes simpler to recall and recreate these relaxing images on your own. To improve your visualization skills, practice regularly. Start with simple objects or scenes before moving on to more complex visualizations. If lying down makes you fall asleep too quickly, try sitting up during your meditation. Be patient with yourself. Visualization skills develop over time. There are no strict rules, so allow yourself to enjoy the process. Incorporating visualization into your pre-sleep meditation can significantly improve your sleep quality. Better sleep supports memory consolidation and focus, which are essential for effective study habits. By making this technique a part of your bedtime routine, you help your brain transition smoothly from wakefulness to restful sleep, enhancing your overall cognitive performance.